space station, which is scheduled to be launched in 2020, taking 3 years to fully assemble. With the
tools to visually create and construct and assemble applications out of the components that they've built. And this ease of application.
See, we're just beginning to assemble them. He worked with actually a friend of his father.
Demo parties where huge crowds would assemble to watch the results.
In the book is that it's possible to assemble a coalition of liberals and the libertarians.
Because they can't get the workforce in their plants in China to assemble the iPhones.
At the beginning, you will assemble for a nice photograph that you can get online. That's just a good way for them to get your email address and for the boss to charge the guy.